Hello and welcome to Where RV Going? You're watching the conversion of Lara the van. Our van, a 2002 Chevy Express that we purchased last summer, and did a fairly quick conversion, literally in 2 days, that we worked on the van as we wanted to go out and start our adventures and enjoy the summer. We did not strip her down like many others do. We just kept everything as is, since it was already a conversion van, so it came all with the insulation and all the paddings, etc. So we basically build on top of it. Here, you can see we're laying the plywood to create the base floor, with the opening for the third seat connection port, and the cutout in the back is for our kitchenette or kitchen cabinet. We just cut everything into place so that we would use in the van and would fit perfectly into its spot. The third seat option was important for us, because if we wanted to bring along a third person, then we could easily remove the hardwood panel from there, and just attach the third seat with its seat belt, and we'd be able to travel 3 passengers instead of 2. And if we'd be just 2 of us, then we'd just cover that panel, and no one would ever guess it's there.
Now that the base floor is in place and cut to shape, we can start doing the hardwood floors. And that cove right there is cut the way it is to accommodate our cooler, so basically it will fit snug and tight, and it's not going to move anywhere, so it will be safe.
Here you can see our 32-inch cabinet that we purchased from Home Depot. It was just a basic kitchen cabinet, and we put down the board to level the floor, and then we started to build our hardwood floors. Again, we just cut everything to size.
Solution: mushroom pizza. Pizza is served. Alright guys, hardwood floors are complete. We just have to put the trims around it. The kitchen sink is in place. It's just waiting its countertop and the sink to go in, and we started to build the bed part now. The most important part is going to be our bed, so stay tuned.
We wanted to build the bed on top of the original folding rear sofa, since we wanted to use that as the base for our bed. So we built a platform on top of the actual sofa. Originally, we made the design with a piano hinge, so we could fold the bed and utilize the sofa as well. But then we changed our minds and kept the bed open at all times for it to be ready for us to hop in whenever we wanted to rest.
And over here, we will build a cubby later on that will flush, and then all that extra space there that you see, it'll become like a container, like a storage space. Basically, from the top, they'll have like little doors that you could open and drop things in.
This is the piece that we actually cut to size to make a countertop on top of the kitchen cabinet. It just turned perfectly fine. We waterproofed the countertop with 3 layers of polyacrylic wax, and now it's waterproof. We bought a very small sink that came with that little detergent dispenser, and we bought a rechargeable electric water pump from Amazon for only $13. It works just great. 5 gallons of fresh and gray water tanks that are hosted inside the cabinet. Here you can see how the floors and everything else just came to completion. This is how it was before. And here you can see our camper van, after the quick built. We named her Lara the van. If you have any questions, please comment below. I'll reply to them as soon as possible. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and please like and comment. And of course, subscribe to the channel. If you're new here, feel free to watch our other videos that give you great tips and tricks to make RV life a better experience, or enjoy great tour videos of the best rigs out there. Again, thanks for watching, and see you on the road.